Let me show you how we can remove SIM card from Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. So in this case, we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray, which is of course over here with this little hole. Of course, this hole is used in order to insert the eject tool into that hole, so you should be able to find your eject tool inside the D box. And we can put it into the SIM tray hole like that. And then we're gonna push it into the phone with a little bit of force to make the SIM tray pop out. Once the SIM tray slightly pops out, we can use our fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Now in this case, if you have two SIM cards, it is slightly more difficult to remove these SIM cards from the SIM tray because there is no way to push one or the other from the other side. So what you can do is you can gently, but really gently, bend the SIM tray like this, and also try to push it from the other side like here in order to make the SIM card pop out from one side at least. And this should allow you to easily remove the SIM card. But like I said, you want to be really gently, you don't really want to break the SIM tray at all. And just a little bit of force should be enough. Now, if you have just one SIM card, it is slightly easier because we can see the SIM card from the other side. So you can just simply push it with your fingernail, for example, and it should come out really easily like this. And of course, once you are done, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone, so remember about that. And also you want to make sure that it is fully in, so that it doesn't stick out, and of course you can avoid causing damage to the phone like that. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.